Hey, what's up? This is Tommy Karma. This is my channel, Stuttering Tom, because I do stutter. My reaction on Raymond S. Gumangan, Filipino citizen uh, who volunteered on the Russian dictatorship or a communist slash terrorist who killed civilian in Ukraine. Please don't release Raymond S. Gumangan because honestly, I don't like it because we will spend money if he will be released. Okay, I don't want to spend a cent in my money or a taxpayer's money. Second, uh, he decided to join the Russian army, so that's treason. He's I don't care if he's a reservist or retired army personnel, etc., etc., etc. If he is okay, if not, then I don't care. Okay, let him rot in the POW camp in Ukraine because he decided to join a terrorist country. So he knew the consequence once captured. Okay, it's not worth it to help him. To all Filipino citizens and Ukrainian citizens, don't. And to all Ukrainian, I'm I am hoping that peace will come soon. Slava Ukraini.